Hello everyone, my name is Harsh and this is a day in my life at Xiamen University.
Today is my first day of 5th year MBBS class, and here I am sipping my coffee about to get ready for my classes. Quickly, here's the plan for the day. I have got two different offline lectures to attend. After that, I'll go to the gym, and after that, I'll go to the library. Kyunki, due to the typhoon, our last examination, which was a medicine, got postponed. But now we have kind of a official date when it will be held. So it will be held somewhere between 18 to 22 of September. So for that, I need to prepare. That's why after classes, I'll go to the gym and directly go to the library to study for a bit for that examination.
After telling you about today's plan, I went on to pick my bike. My first lecture was meant to be held in second building, which is somewhere around 600 to 700 meter away.
My class is on 4th floor of this building and I'm taking stairs to my classroom. Let's see what 5th year MBBS has got for me. Already got done with my first lecture, which was in neurology. Now heading towards the second lecture, which is of traditional Chinese medicine.
Confused by the concept of yin and yang in traditional Chinese medicine, I left my classroom after completing both the mandatory lectures for the day. Indeed, a good day at college. I made my way to Arab canteen.
Here at the old canteen to get my food, which I'll have after the gym.
This is somewhat old canteen looks like. I come here almost on a daily basis for my lunch. People living outside China believe that there is no vegetarian food available. This is true to some extent. I took 4 eggs, some chicken nuggets, some amount of rice, corn and few vegetables and got everything packed in this box. Put on the lid and made my way to the gym. And oh boy, my college gym is like heaven. It has got every single thing that a perfect gym must have. Lots of space, all the equipment, treadmills, Smith machines, free weights, squat racks and what not. You just name it. Today I was going to train my back muscles.
When we fall, we get up and go, baby. The way they think is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy.
So apparently, my college gym has also got shower rooms like this. If you open this, there's hot water supply, cold water supply. This is the shower, place to hang all the clothes. I just got done with my shower. Now I'm going to back to my college dormitory study area. There I'll have my lunch and study for a while. This is my lunch for the day. I'll have it while sitting on one of the entrance of the gym.
After having lunch, I was a bit tired, so instead of library, I went to dorm study area.
As I already said in the morning, my last examination, which was of medicine, got postponed due to typhoon. And now we have got an official announcement that last examination of medicine will be held somewhere between 18 to 22 of September. So for that purpose, I need to prepare for medicine as well. And in medicine, there are going to be 3 major organ systems: cardiac, GI, respiratory. Respiratory majority already midterm में आ चुका है, so cardiac and GI are going to be the 2 organ systems on which I'll focus more. I'll study medicine for the majority of time period that I have got left and maybe complete 1 or 2 lectures on ops. Again, I'm making a cup of coffee for my hat. Currently, it's 4 p.m. and I'm already done with most of the tasks that I was required to do in the entire day. In the morning, I went for my neurology lecture at 8 a.m. After that, I had one traditional Chinese medicine lecture at 10 a.m. I attended that as well. And as soon as it got over, I went to the gym did my workout, had my meal, and now took rest for like a good 30 minutes or 40 minutes or so after coming back from gym.
From my phone, right?
Yes, from this phone.
Okay.
So today afternoon while I was taking rest, I literally started to think about last year, September 2022. This was the exact time period where I was hoping that I could just come back to my college and live over here, attend offline class. And cut to September 2023, I am in Xiamen attending my first offline lecture of 5th year MBBS, which also marks the beginning of my last year in medical college. Anyways, this semester is going to be very short, like it will be just of 4 months. Classes have started now, and we are going to have our midterm examination during the last month of November also, and then the final term examination in the end of December, and it will start from end of December and go up till like first or second week of January. After that we will have a winter's break, and the last semester of 5th year MBBS or my entire MBBS journey is relatively smaller as compared to any other semester. It is just going to be of like 2 or 3 months. It will start in February, mid-Feb, and end during like end of April or mid-April somewhere, and I will have my 5th year final term or final examination of my MBBS career in end of April and beginning of May month. My MBBS or my medical student life is going to end very soon, and it will mark a new beginning of me entering into the real world. Then I'll be required to give examination, FMG examination, which I need to clear to get license in India, and after that get or start preparing for NEET PG as well. MD is a must. By the way, first day of 5th year MBBS was really good. There were smiling faces all around me, but when the smiling faces were there, I was feeling like this is going to end very soon. My 5th year MBBS will be over very soon, and then we all will be entering into the real world and have a life of our own, for which I'm a little bit scared. Let's see क्या होता है, but for now
I need to study for the final examination of medicine. So again, there are total of 44 PPTs and around 35 lectures. But oh boy, I did not think that this is going to be this much hard. Getting into the examination study flow state once again is not going to be as easy as I initially thought it is. So instead, I went on to study congenital heart anomalies from peds and diabetes in pregnancy from obs and gynae, as this is going to be most important subject in this semester.
got done with 2 more lectures which dealt with anemia in pregnant females. With that being said, the time is finally here where I have to make as many memories I can and study as much as I can and live my life in the best possible way I could.
Sunset looks really beautiful. And this was a day in my life at 5th year MBBS. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.